Know how I ended up with like 3 partial heads of cabbage. I got some chicken, some pork, some beef, some ribs. I got a couple different chicken parts, a couple different kind of pork, and I believe these are quail. And I got some beef, I got some sausage, some ground turkey. Yeah, refrigerator clean out. We're gonna make it happen. All right, guys, so for this refrigerator clean out, I'm gonna start with an easy one and work to probably maybe my hardest. I don't know. It's gonna be probably several videos because I don't even know what I'm making yet. So I'm gonna start with, like I said, the easy one. I'm gonna do a cabbage sausage Alfredo. And it's keto friendly. Yes, I'm still doing keto, and I'm officially down 50 pounds. Yay! All right, so let's get into it. All right, so for this recipe, we're gonna start with some bacon, some butter. I got some half and half, about a quarter of an onion. I got some beef smoked sausage, some mozzarella cheese, some cream cheese, and some cabbage. Okay, so first I've cut my bacon into, like, I guess bite-sized pieces, strips or whatever, because I'm gonna brown this up. Okay, so while that's browning, I'm gonna chop up my cabbage and put it in the oven. I got my oven preheated to 385. I'm gonna chop this, put it in here. So I chopped it and put it in there. I actually decided to save this half a head for a different recipe. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Now to the cabbage, I'm gonna add my butter, and I got about a block and a half of cream cheese. All right, so that's about 1 stick of butter, sliced and added on top. All right, now I've added 1 package of the cream cheese. Bacon still cooking. So over here, I am going to add seasonings now. I'm gonna put, and of course my seasonings are always seasoned to taste, but black pepper, garlic salt, and of course, some Italian seasonings. Okay, now I'm gonna pour over that about a cup of the half and half. Cup of the half and half. And top with about a cup of the shredded mozzarella. Now I'm gonna cover this, put this in the oven for about 30 minutes while I finish up my bacon and sausage. Okay, ready to pop that in the oven. It's nice and brown, not too crispy. Now I'm actually only going to use half of this, and I'm going to put the other half away for another recipe. Yeah, I think this bacon is ready to come out of the skillet. Okay, so to my bacon drippings, I'm adding my onion first, and I'm going to cook this until they're translucent. And this is my quarter of yellow onion, just diced roughly. Just that so it's translucent. And my bacon drippings. The moisture from the onion kind of helps deglaze the pan also. The smell of cooking onions is amazing. Okay, so once my onions are translucent and a little brown, I'm going to add in my sausage. And you know, of course, this is fully cooked already, but I'm going to go ahead until it's nice and brown and cook these. All right, so after 30 minutes, we're going to take this out of the oven and we are going to stir it. Mix in all the cheese and sauce with the cabbage here. And the butter, get it all mixed in well. That's what makes the Alfredo sauce. All this butter and cheeses and cream. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this. Smells amazing, looks good. Okay, now to this, I'm gonna add my sausage and onions. I'm gonna add half of that bacon that I cooked. And I'm gonna top with some shaved Parmesan. I'm gonna stir that in. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, y'all, hot. All right. And she is done. You guys let me know if you try this. Because this is one of my, I love cabbage, so I don't know, maybe. That's why it's one of my faves. Put a little more cheap Parmesan on there. All right, you guys, and then before I serve, I just sprinkle with a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little black pepper. Ta-da! And she is ready. Let's give her a try. It won't fit in your mouth or what?
No, it's really good. It took like 3 bites.
So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Okay. Honestly, I like it. I don't know what all you put in this, but it's really good.
Keto friendly.
It's really good.